Greasing ship crane wires is a critical maintenance task that ensures the longevity and efficiency of our equipment. It's not just about keeping things running smoothly, it's about safety and reliability in a high-stakes environment. When we neglect this process, we risk not only equipment failure, but also the safety of our crew and cargo. Let's dive into the greasing process. First, we need to understand the type of grease suitable for marine environments. Marine-grade grease is designed to withstand moisture and resist corrosion, which is essential given the harsh conditions at sea. Before we start, ensure that we have the right tools, a grease gun, appropriate grease, and personal protective equipment like gloves and goggles. Now, let's talk about the steps involved. Begin by cleaning the wire thoroughly. Any dirt or debris can compromise the effectiveness of the grease. Once the wire is clean, we'll apply the grease evenly along the length of the wire. It's crucial to ensure that the grease penetrates the strands of the wire, so take your time with this step. A common mistake is to rush through it, but remember, thoroughness is key to preventing wear and tear. Safety precautions cannot be overstated. Always work under the supervision of a qualified person, especially when dealing with heavy machinery. Make sure the area is clear of unnecessary personnel and communicate clearly with your team. Use hand signals or radios to ensure everyone is aware of what's happening. This is not just about greasing, it's about maintaining a safe working environment. As we execute the greasing, keep an eye out for any signs of wear on the wire itself. If you notice any fraying or damage, it's crucial to address it immediately. Ignoring these signs can lead to catastrophic failures. After greasing, perform final checks to ensure everything is in order. This includes checking the tension of the wire and ensuring that the grease has been evenly distributed. Effective communication throughout this process is vital. Make sure everyone knows their role and understands the importance of what we're doing. A well-coordinated team can make all the difference in ensuring that the task is completed safely and efficiently. In summary, greasing ship crane wires is a straightforward yet essential task that requires attention to detail, safety precautions, and effective communication. By following these steps, we can ensure that our cranes operate smoothly and safely, protecting both our crew and our cargo. Remember, maintenance is not just a task, it's a commitment to safety and efficiency in our operations.